One moment. We just wait for 1 more minute. Some of them are set. Okay. All right, we start with this lah. Okay, while your friends come in and me, can you tell me okay for question 1A and 1B. 1A. Akil, come, we doing 1A, B, C, D. You try 1A, B, C, D, please. Let's see who else. Let's see. Okay. So the other share Akil cannot join. So yeah, you miss out a lot lah. You miss out. Okay, A. Izzat, well done. Izzat for A. We do ABCD lah. Come, ABCD. We'll do. We try to complete the whole thing fast lah. Okay. Just make sure that you all are okay.
Can I say once Norizat is done because I'm using my iPad?
No problem, no problem, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Izzat, well done for B. Okay, A and B. What's your answer, Akil? A and B. Akil, what's your answer? Izzat, you move on to C and D, yeah? And you send me. Can Izzat? Let me see. Well done, Izzat. Well done. Congratulations. Akil, your ABC anytime. You can tell us the answer. You're on mute, Akil. I can't hear you. Hey, sorry. Did I change the thing? Oh, sorry, yeah. ABCD. Is that the last one is not correct? Not correct. Akil, we're waiting for your answers. Akil, what's the answer for A?
For B is for B is 10/9. I mean 9/10.
Okay, for A?
For A, wait.
Okay, what for okay. We're gonna move on, okay? So yes, is that well done. Okay. So you just give me for A, we move on to the next one. Now they want you to change decimal. ABCD, please. To change to decimal. Never mind, Akil, you do straight decimal. Decimal is easier. Well done, Izzat. But you know how to do, right, Akil? No problem, right? Well done, Izzat. Okay, Akil, answer for A and B for decimal. Well done, Izzat, for C. How come you're smiling? No, your D is wrong. Let us ask Akil. What's the correct answer for D, Akil?
For B.
D for
D.
D for dog.
0.03.
Yes. Okay. So our friend down here is okay. Okay. So down here, Izzat, remember that Izzat? This one now is 3/100. Okay, when it's over 100, you leave after the dot 2 places. Put the 3 at the last. Then down here is only 3, that is going to have to be 0 here. Down here there's no 1, 2, 3, so you put up a 0 here. Okay, so is that okay? Is that, you look so bored, like, is that what happened? Is that? Okay, now you try this one now. Question, Akil also, G and H.
Decimal.
Decimal, yeah, decimal. But don't tell answer. You are waiting for Izzat.
After he do.
After you do, okay, but make sure you give. There's not after you do, you tak kasih for fraction. Okay, okay, well done. Okay, he has given
Can I
both.
say?
Yeah, what's your
Zero-
answer?
Is it 0.01? I
Ye-
mean, yeah, 0.01
And
and 0.31.
well done. So now this one, I think, okay, we do A and D lah. A and D. Okay, our mark.
I say after he say.
Okay, he has said, he has given the answer. Well done. Is that your answer?
For which one?
A and D. A?
A and B, he give already.
No, A and D. Okay, you
A
give
and
A.
D,
What's your
okay.
what?
28 and 7.
percent? So it's too easy lah. So, okay, we try now. B and C. B and C. Is that first? Is that you send?
B
then
and C.
okay, I tell you what. See, Akil, you give B. Is that Akil give B and C? Is that give A and D? Is that A and D? Akil B and C. Whoever can come out first lah.
B and C for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use calculators, no problem.
Yeah, okay. 25 plus 100 so 4 and 19. Is it 76% for B?
76% for B. Yes, congratulations, Mr. Akil. What about C?
C, wait, Acha.
You all know that you can just times by 100, right? That's the shortest way. Just times by 100, you can get percentage. Any fraction you times by 100, you get percentage. Is that, you know that? Any fraction times by 100. Of course, you can change to 100, you can get an answer. So now, what do I do? You do A and D. A for apple, D for dog.
C can divide, right?
Yeah, can divide and then you can make, okay. My suggestion, divide by 9 lah. You divide by 9, you can see the pattern. Or you can just times by 100, Akil. Any
And
fraction
then
times.
times 100.
Or you can times 100 straight. 63 over 90 times 100, you get answer.
Then equal so 63
Divide by 90 times 100.
divided by 9.
Well done, Izzat, for A.
And 70%.
70%. Well done. Izzat, this one you can divide by 2 straight. 200 divided by 2, get 100. 76, 78 divided by 2. And your answer is 39. Congratulations. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one you all know how to do. If they just to revise. Akil, you tell us how to do this one. What's the formula? 32%.
Yeah.
32 over 100. And then what do we do? Off 50. Off, we change to what?
Then you divide it by 50. Then you
No, times. Off
take
means times.
away 0.
Off
Huh?
means times. Like that. This is how
Yeah,
it is.
that means you cross the 100, one of the 0. Then you
okay, can.
done. Then
Alright.
you times the top and the bottom.
Yes, can. So divide by 2, you get 1, divide by 2, you get 16. Answer down here is 16 kg. Okay, you all know what to do. If they give like that, very simple. Okay. Why are we starting with very basic? Because I want to make sure you got no issues doing PSLE. Okay, please B and C. Mr. Akil, you will do C, and Izzat do B.
I do which one again? I forgot.
C, C.
C, okay.
What's your answer? All right, Izzat has said his answer now.
Wait, so 75 over 100, then the 16.
Izzat, they ask you now, when they ask you 35% of this one, your answer is in liters. Because it's already 35%, how can it be 28%? So the answer will be in liters. Just like Akil's answer will be cm.
120, 100, 1,200.
So Izzat, you did like that, right? You do like that? Izzat, you did like that? Yes, so this one you answer.
12.
12, well done. 12, well done. So same thing, this one over here, you divide by 100 times by 16, you get 12. Well done. So this one you get 12, this one you get 28. Okay, so but right, 28 liters. So we test Akil now. Akil, is it 12%? You agree it's 12%?
No,
It must be what?
it's 12 cm.
12 cm. Be careful, because they already tell you it's just 75, they already tell you 35%, it cannot be 28%. All right. Let's try now. Okay, we challenge Izzat versus Akil. And go. Sana, D. Well, you can say it out first, he will type it, no problem. Izzat versus Akil, this is the first one.
Times before equal 90 divided. Oh, no.
I think you will have a decimal.
Let's see again. If I 20 times 24.
Congratulations, Izzat. I didn't see your answer coming in. Well done. Come on, Akil. Izzat, you okay? Izzat? You look frightened. Are you scared or something? You're not. Are you scared of the thing behind you? No. Hey, Akil, come on. 40 over 100 times 24. You don't have calculator? Do you have calculator? Come on, you can even use paper also. But
is it 9?
9 point something.
9.6?
Yeah, 9.6. So you will get 9.6. So km. So this is basically easy, It's easy. So we are going to make sure that you are able to go to the problem sums. This one, hold on. This one. Okay. Yeah, please try question A, please.
Batman.
Oh, that's an old Batman tune, You watch an old
Which
Batman.
one?
You just
No.
give the tune,
Yeah.
Batman. That was even before I was born.
Oh.
Really? It started in 1960s. Even before your parents were born. So.
What to do here?
There, shaded. What's a fraction? Unshaded. What's
fraction?
Just do shaded. Just give the shaded one. Unshaded on it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Let's see whether Izzat got it. First one correct, Izzat?
Is it 9 over 100?
No, not 9 over 100, 9 over... first one is wrong, Izzat. There's how many squares here total? Not 100. There's not 24.
Oh, so 9 over
5.
20.
10, 15, 20.
9/20.
9/20, yes. Is that 9/20? Is that
20.
not 9 over?
Then 0.9.
No, then how to change it to you times 5, right? Times
Yeah.
5. How much can you get? No, not 9, not 9%. 9/100, then 9% is that? It's 9/20, you know. You times, you get 100, must
100,
times by 5.
then
Yes. You get 45/100 now. Now then you change. 0.
then we get 0.45.
And
Then
then how many percent?
Yeah.
45% lah.
Yeah.
Easy, yeah. I hope it's easy for you. If you are finding you're confused, I'm worried that our friend Sheikh Akil, your brother, is confused. That's why I'm worried.
Why
Okay,
he
we
always
try.
never come?
That's why you don't know. The mother says he got school. I do not know. Okay,
One,
can you
two,
try shaded? Because maybe madrasah video. Okay, now you try
34,
unshaded.
5.
Unshaded.
4, 8, 12, 12. Can I say first or
Okay, you can say first fraction. What's a fraction?
it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, so means 18 and 24. 6, so means 18 and 24. 30 and 36. Okay. So it's 36. 36.
Is that how is that? Unshaded, boys. Unshaded, the white color.
12. Wow. 12/36. Then I don't know what to do
And
after that.
not over 36. How you get
I
36?
don't know what to divide.
No, why you get 12/36?
I go count the whole thing.
How not against how many?
It's 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh yeah, I say count 6.
So even if 6
So
is supposed to get
25.
6. Okay.
Okay now. Okay.
Okay, so you get
12,
12/25, right?
Yeah.
Izzat can get
12
12/25, right?
plus 4 equals 24, 48.
12 plus 4 times 4.
48.
Okay, so
48/100.
what's your decimal?
48/100. Then 0.48.
Percentage?
48.
Is that okay? Not? You get it, son, is that? You sure you didn't send any answer? Are you tired, is that? I need a massage. Okay, inshallah nanti we massage you, Akil will massage you. Okay, we don't do the sun to can you find the discount? Discount means amount you don't need to pay. They didn't ask you for the price. What is the discount?
Then if I minus it,
Akil too fast. Akil, you too fast. Is that say? Okay, never mind. Try. Say you're too fast. Okay, too fast. Then I tell you what. Akil will do question number. Akil will do B.
Okay.
Akil do. Izzat do 2A.
Okay. So 3, then 135. So 23 times 135 equal 2,000. Then divide that by 12. Is it 31.05?
Let me see now.
Is it?
31.05, yes. That is your discount. Well done. What about Izzat? Can you get the discount? Izzat 435? Yes, well done. Both of you got it correct. This is $4.35. This is $31 and $31.05. How to do 15/100 times 29? How to do 23/100 times 135? Can we now take a challenge? I think who's fastest for this one? And go. Izzat versus Akil.
$569.7.
Okay, let's see what Izzat can you get. Izzat is doing calculation. You're not using calculator. Let's see whether it's correct. Yes, well done, both of you. $569.70. Well done. So 30/100 times this. So it's quite easy, Our friend Shakil. Actually, one of the reasons why I'm revising this for
You
him.
always come into my room.
Who?
Oh, my
Oh.
my vacuum.
Okay. I thought you were talking about Shakil. Now, the prices show do not include the GST. They want you to find the GST. So GST is 7%. So we ask.
So you have to add the 7%.
No. They only want the GST only the 7%. Don't need to add. So we ask Izzat A, Akil B.
Wait. Oh, okay. If 160 times 7, then 500. 11.2.
11.2. Let us see whether you are right. What about Izzat? Izzat also sent an answer. Let's see. 11.2 is correct. What about Izzat? Oh, 7
Yay.
times 45. Izzat also correct. Okay, well done. So you have no problem. Okay. Speed round and go. Person C, Izzat versus Akil.
3, 9, 5, 7. No. 1, 3, 9, 5 times 7. Then divided by 4. 97.65.
Okay, well done. Izzat can do 97.65. You can? Yes, you got. You got, are you sure? Yes, so it's 7 over 100 times 139. Okay. Hold on. Let me just read some further. Carol had $5,000 in the bank. Her bank paid 3% interest at the end of each year. She did not withdraw any of her savings. How much interest did she earn at the end of 1 year? They're only asking you for interest.
What's interest?
Interest means, okay, what?
They give the money or they get the money?
They give. They say you put your money in the bank. They say you keep the money in bank, we give you 2%. Whatever, how much you put in, 2% of it will be paid to you. That's interest. But in Islam, we are not allowed to accept interest. So there's some people, they make sure all the interest, and every year they give it to Mu'iz, they give to whoever. Because for Muslims, even if you borrow money from people, they cannot charge you interest. By right. By right. Huh? So now down here, what is the interest? That's what they're asking you. And go.
Okay. 5,000 times 3. Is it 150?
150. We wait for Izzat to see what he says. Izzat also says 150. Well done. Both of you are correct. $150. Okay, the next one. This is almost
Mr. Peter invested 13,000 in investment. The bank paid for 400%. And the end of the case so 0 Is it 480?
okay, let us see. Izzat also sent. Izzat says 480. Now, okay, yes, both of you are correct. But I want you to understand this. You put in $12,000. At the end of the year, you get 480. Now, if you put in, let's say, you got a lot of money, let's say, both of you, you put in $1 million, let's say, and the interest is 4%. Can you tell me how much is your interest at the end of 1 year? Can you find both of you find 1 million?
Macam we say?
Huh?
Huh?
This one now, imagine now this one is not 12,000. Now it's 1 million. 1 million.
Okay.
What is the interest you get?
Times 4. And divided by 4,000. I mean 40,000. 40,000.
40,000. What about, is that 4,000 or 40,000?
40,000. I mean 40,000.
40,000. 40,000.
I said say wrong.
Yeah, right. Akil's answer here. Yes, 40,000. So imagine, imagine both you and Akil. Let's say you got $1 million lah, and you don't want to work. You just put your money inside the bank. Every year they give you $40,000. No, You don't need to work, what? You say, hey, every year they give me $40,000.
Open if the bank get robbed.
Let's say POSB lah. POSB, let's say the bank gets robbed, the government will come in to help. So that's why some people, especially non-Muslims, they don't work at all. They put big sums of money inside the bank. They might put 2 million. 2 million, they get $80,000. Every year, they just get 80,000. They just leave the money there. So can you see not why some people, they got lots of money, they just put in the bank, they use the interest only. Do you get it? So down here, once you do that, you don't need to work. But problem in Islam, you're not allowed to do this. This is called riba. You cannot do this. You cannot take this money.
Is Dubai Islam?
Dubai is supposed to be Muslim, but they also do a lot of nonsense. Turkey is also Muslim, but they will serve in a halal restaurant, halal food, and then they drink beer.
You know Dubai, right? Dubai got no tax, then they also can buy a lot of car. But due to a lot of religious things, they have to abandon the car sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So a lot of supercar, that one. Very expensive.
Over there.
The GTR, MK4, Subaru.
Wow, you know a lot about
All
that.
that.
Okay, down here now, you be careful. They are asking you a different question. Not only the interest, you must plus the original amount. How much will you have in the bank at the end of the year? Don't just calculate interest. You must plus to get a 7,500.
The bank had 4,000 interest each of. So basically, after we find the 4% interest, then we add that to the amount.
Yes, you have to.
7,500 times 4. Yeah. So is it 7,800?
Okay, let's see. Izzat has sent me first. Izzat says 7,800. Akil says 7,000. Let me just check. And you're correct. So you can imagine there have been cases where some persons, they left a big sum of money in the bank, then they died. After 100 years, let's say now they put 10,000 inside the bank. After
The money was
years,
still there.
the
money will be
money
still
has
there.
grown many times, grown over 100,000. And then one of the ancestors get to inherit. It ever happened in US. And it ever happened, some of them got not one ancestor, the descendants. Some of them got no descendants. They don't know what to do with the money. So the bank have to give to charity. Yes, this happened. Okay. Can you try question number 4?
Jason bought a pair of headphones with include of GTS of 7%.
Not GTS lah. GTR.
I mean, yeah, I accidentally keep on saying GTS.
Because you want a GTS car. Is it true? My son also wants a.
The price of the very old drift car, that's one.
Oh, I see.
The price of a pair of headphones for the GST was $850.
Understand the question? They
Yeah.
want you to find
Yes,
how
I
much
know.
you must pay, yeah?
Yeah. Going 895 plus. Is it $90.95?
Okay, let's see. What about Izzat? What does he say? First of all, you need to understand the question. But your answer is correct. Well done. Huh? Now, well done. Both of you got it correct. $90.95. Please, it's not only 7%. Don't you go to the shop and say, yeah, I only got to pay 7%. 7% is only how much? $5.95. Cannot be you go and buy a headphone for $5.95, right? So, Akil, where does the $5.95 go to? Who takes his money?
7%. The government.
Government, you know. Okay, good. You know that the government takes. That's how they build the roads, hospital. If the country is good, they do that. The country is bad, the politicians will steal it.
So Dubai is bad?
I think Dubai is a very rich country. Dubai is a very rich country. But I heard they built too many buildings that many of the projects cannot complete. But we do not know. Okay, you try. Next question.
The 100 was 35% of the roof. fiction books. The rest of the books were non-fiction books. How many non-fiction books were there? Ah, oh, okay. $420 minus $120. Is it 78? I mean, no. 780. 780.
780. Let's see
Yes.
what about Mr. Izzat. What do you say, Mr. Izzat? Izzat, you understand the question, Izzat? Izzat, I cannot see your face, lah, Izzat. I can see only forehead. And some of the girls, I only recognize them for forehead. Okay. Wait for Izzat's thing. See how it is.
So,
Yeah.
do you watch the video about the Yoshi Shiratori, the one that
Oh, you
escaped
told me.
from? Yeah.
I have not seen it. But you told me about it. Thank you. Very interesting, actually. I read up about it. In fact, in the end, he escaped. Then he
It was
won.
during the World War.
But he escaped at the end. Well done, 780. Well done. Then what happened was the policeman was helpful to him, and then he told the policeman that I am.
The policeman gave him a cigarette.
Yeah, you read that, huh? And then he owned up to say he was a convict. Wow.
Yeah. Then he hid in a cave for I forgot how many.
Yes.
Until summer.
Can you imagine what sort of life they have? Run away. But anyway, okay, here. So now you have a few ways of doing it. Altogether, the total books is 100%. So if let's say 35% is fiction is storybooks, non-fiction we have 100 minus 35. So you will get 65%. Correct, right? So 65% you can find like that over 100 times by 1,200, you get 7,800. Or I do not know, maybe Izzat did a different way. Izzat, do you find 35% first? Yeah, then you take 120 minus the answer there. Can also, no problem. Whatever method works, it's okay. So long as you know how to find. Okay, now we try the next one. Question number 2.
The sofa costs 600. What is the price of the sofa at 15% discount? Okay.
After discount,
Yeah. Times 15. 90. So the discount is 90, then minus 600. 510.
510 says Mr. Akil. Norizat says 690. Now, who is correct? Now, first of all, you must understand what's the meaning of discount. Discount means is it cheaper or more expensive? Cheaper lah. So you find 15% good, you must minus the price. Let's say now, okay, we imagine, you add. Imagine now, Izzat, you go to the shop, say, hey, boy, I give you, buy this one, I give you discount. Now it's 600, no. After discount, 690, you run away. Right? So you must minus the 90. So it's 510. Well done. Well done.
Last time, right? When I go to NTC, I forgot I don't have enough money. Then I go to the area. I go to the self-checkout.
Then
I go buy the prata. Then the prata not enough money. So I just put back, take a cheaper prata.
Oh, we have finished this. We have finished, Alhamdulillah. And we have finished it in record time. Okay. So we are now going to try some exam questions. Dealing percentage, we will just give me a moment. Alhamdulillah, that means we are getting ready. So, Akil, are you going back to school on Monday?
On the 28th. Yeah.
What about Izzat also?
Sure.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, here we go. Yeah. You said?
Nothing, never mind.
Okay, this is now. Oh, this is CO1. Sorry. I got to get another one. My mistake. My bad. Hold on, I want to get the exact question. Okay. Okay, this is the prelim exam. Prelim means before the PSLE, like in 1-2 months time, they will give you exam paper. And it's supposed to be like the PSLE, but actually it's not. Many times it's more expensive, more difficult than the PSLE. But can we try question number 5? Question number 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
On a bus, 9 of the passengers were men and 15 of the passengers were women. And the rest were children. Give the 2% of the percentage of the children. Of the passengers were children. How many passengers were there in total in the bus? So 20, right? Then 9 plus 15 will 15, 24. Then 24 times 20 plus 180, then divided by 100 goes 4.8. Plus 24. Is it 28.8?
Cannot be point something. How come then 0.8? Then how? Human being cannot chop. Cannot be. Must be whole number.
9 plus.
You are getting from your way you are thinking, you are going the correct way, which is good.
20 and divided by.
That was just
9 plus 15 times.
Izzat can do, Izzat. Try lah, Izzat. Try.
Then
Izzat, those who are adults, how many percent adults?
20.
Children 20%, the rest must be adults.
Okay. Then now I divide by
How many percent is that?
How bila?
Okay, you are getting it. Okay, maybe Akil we do together. I think you are getting it because from the way you are saying, okay, how many percent is adults? 20% children. How many percent adults?
Huh?
How many percent adults?
Adults is 24. No.
Percent.
70.
Not 70, 80 lah. That's
80.
100%. So this 80 is how many adults? You said 24. Now, he is correct, is that?
Yeah.
How does he know there's 24? There's 15 women and 9 men. When you add together, it's 24. So now, why don't you find what's 100% from here? 80% is 24. Can you try 20%? You divide by 4 lah.
8 divided by 24.
No, 8 divided by 4.
24.
24 divided by 4.
Huh?
Okay. You divide by 4. 80 divided by 4 get 20.
6.
26. Then you times by 5 lah. You get 100.
So 6 plus 24 equals 31.
No, not plus. Times. Now, down here divide by 4. Now, from 20 to 100, you times 5. Right? So you times 5. Down here, you times 5 also lah. 6 and 5. 6 and 5. I mean.
6 and 5.
30, yeah. Down here. Now,
Yeah.
this is method number 1. I show you another method. Remember, I showed you this before, this thing. Now, what do we fill up down here? Who knows? What we fill up down here? Remember, always will be.
What?
You tell me lah.
Always children adult.
1. Always 1, huh?
1.
Now, what you want to find? What
Then
you want to
20
find?
at the top. 20 at the top of the one,
No, no,
and
no, no.
100 at the bottom.
This one was. This one what you want to find down here. You must write what you want to
The
find.
dog.
No,
Oh, the children.
all the passengers what? All the
So
passengers.
20%.
Not 20%. All of them 100%. All.
100.
100.
100.
Now below must write percent. If top you write percent below. So what percent do you know the number? What percent do you know the number?
20. 20.
20. 20% how many children? You don't know. There down here, this one you know what you find out already. 80% is 24.
So it's 24.
You put 80% here, 24 here.
Yeah.
Can you use your calculator and try? You use your
24.
calculator.
Okay. So 100 times 24. And then divided by 80. 30.
30. Now you must understand how to do this method. I show you step by step again, okay? In case they say last minute got no time, you put in this formula. The first thing is this one. This one must be 1. Remember, always must be 1. Next one, you ask yourself what you want to find. You write here. Oh, I want to find 100. Yeah. Yeah.
I use my normal phone calculator, can still do.
Yes, can still do. Can still do. So you want to find 100%. If you write percent here, below must be percent. But now you must know what this percent is. If you write 20% can, but do you know what's 20%? You don't know. If you must write a percentage that you know, then you can get. Okay, this is the way to do it. Okay, or if not, you do this method lah. You can also do this method, right? 80%, 24. They say I want to find 1%, but you will get decimal. Never mind lah, 24 divided by 80. You can write as a fraction like that. Can also. Then you find 100%. You write 100%. 24 over 80 times 100. Can also. Can also. Okay. Actually, if you see this one, this is the same working as I show you above. Can you see now? Times 100, times 100. 24 on top, 24 on top. 80 below, 80 below. Okay, but I think I'm going to lose you all. You're tired already. Come on, guys. If we're going to do problem sum, this one you got to be alert. Please, you can do this. Just a little more. Next week, you're going to start school. It's going to be very tiring for some of you. You know why? You have never experienced this. Every day, they will give you practice papers. Every day. Okay, let's see. We look. Can you try this one now? Angles. Angle. Izzat can do. Izzat, don't lie down like that. Izzat, you're going to fall asleep. Izzat. I'll sing you a lullaby, Izzat. Na, 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 na. Very clear clue.
180 minus 56 minus 37. No. Okay, so that is 37. If that is 37, right? It's 37.
I give you a clue. I'll underline for you this one. Parallelogram. Parallelogram, the opposite side angles are the same. The diagonally opposite angles are the same. You can do this.
Oh, wait. So if 37, 50, 50. Number 2.
Number 2. Izzat can get number 2. Izzat, do you send? Oh, Izzat send the answer. Ya Allah. Sorry, Izzat. number 12. But tak ada 12 lah down here. Okay, so we do one by one. Now down here.
Number 12.
This one, in a parallelogram, opposite angle is the same. This one is also 50. All you need to do, because you want to find this angle, kan? All you need to do now, find this one, you plus. This is 67. How much is this?
So what? 180 minus one. That one
No.
equal the
79.
other.
Well done.
Yeah.
Then after that,
Then 79 minus 80.
I
Then minus 67.
180 minus 79 minus 67. This plus
Yeah.
this plus this, 180. Okay, so 180 minus
Yeah.
79 minus 67, you get 34. So now you plus
Yeah.
34 plus 50, 84.
Yeah.
Izzat, are you okay, Izzat? Can you see now, Izzat?
Okay, wait.
Can, Well done, well done. Izzat, okay now, Izzat? You look very bored, like Izzat. Wash your face, Izzat. You're lying down and then you go to sleep, you know. You want to sleep, Yes. Hello. Okay. So well done, well done. You can do this. That's good. Akil, you are getting better and better. That's very good, Akil. Okay. Izzat also, you're getting better. Well done. So you must start targeting lah. Now we won't do too easy one. Now you're searching for percentage. This one. And this type question even come up for
Express
sec 1.
5 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. Okay.
Yeah. Not 5 minutes, 9 minutes.
Is it 5.4?
And so sorry, please try again.
Five.
Okay, remember when you put off 1 hour, this one must be below. Must be below. Remember what I told you, fraction, you want to change to percentage, you just times by 100. Find the fraction first. What is the fraction? 9 minutes out of 1 hour. What's a fraction?
The fraction is
What's the fraction? 9 on top lah. What's below? 1 hour.
9, 100.
No, 1 hour.
60
no.
minutes. 60 minutes.
60 minutes. Then you just times by 100 je. You will get the answer. You try. This one still cannot use calculator, by the way.
900 divided by 60. 15.
Yes, 15%. So let's say you cannot use calculator, divide by 10, divide by 10. Divide by 2, you get 3. Divide by 2, you get 5. Then 9 divided by 3, you get 3. Divide by 3, you get 1. 3 times 5, 15. Don't forget to write the percent sign.
Okay.
Okay, it's not so bad, right? So for paper 1, you got to try to score lah. Okay, you all can do it. Trust me, you can do it. Okay. This one I think you can.
Instant deposit 4,000. 56.
Wow, so fast. Wow. What about Mr. Isa?
Wait, I check.
Well done, both of you got 56. Congratulations. All right, very simple. In case you're not so sure, 1.4 over 100 times by 4,000. That's it.
Coming back.
So this is 56, Well
Yep.
done, well done, well done. You're in Meridian Primary,
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, my jersey.
Just that looks nice. Let us see. We try angle also. Try DAC.
Find DAC. DAC. D, A, C. Hmm.
Oh, this one is quite a question.
Hmm.
Okay, this one a little bit tough, but okay.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, you try.
60, 60 minus 44. 60 minus 4. 60 minus 45. 45, okay, equals 50. So that part is 15. So if that minus that one, 15 plus 130 equal 10 minus 180 equal 35. If that part is 35, 35, that part is 35, then 35. Okay. How am I finding that part?
You're supposed to find DAC, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if
Okay.
that part is 60.
Okay, down here, you know it's 60, right? From here to here.
Yeah,
Got equilateral. So what is this angle down here?
15.
15 good. 60 minus 45 get 15. So actually now
Then the
I'm
one beside the 30, 130 equals
how many?
35.
No, this one's 35.
The
Then
one
you got,
at the C there is 35.
yeah, you got answer 35. How you get 35? Correct. But how you get
I
35?
find one, I get 130 and 15, then I minus that by 180, then I get 35.
Well done. Okay, so down here, yeah, well done. Okay, so now down here, I'm going to draw what Sheikh Akil mentioned. Sorry, not Sheikh Akil. Akil mentioned. Akil. See, down here, this is called a parallelogram. Trapezium. Trapezium down here is parallel. This one is parallel. You see? When you have two parallel lines, they are joined. These two will add up to 180. So this one is already 130. This whole thing must be 50 lah. So 50 plus 130 equals 180. And if this is 50 from here to here, you minus 15, you get 35. So he's correct. Okay, again, this part, the difficult part is this part of here. To know that this one is supposed to be 50. Where is supposed to be 50? This part on here, you see, 130. The whole thing here is 50. Can you see the line here? It goes down here. So this one here, 50 minus 15, 35. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Well done. This is quite difficult. I consider this a little bit cruel to pass through, but never mind. This is Singapore, right? It's like that. Okay, we move to paper.
So if I go
2.
US, I can pass with flying
Yes, you can
colors.
pass with flying colors. Seriously, yes. And that's why sometimes they don't like
Really?
Asians. Yeah, sometimes they don't like the Asians because Asians are very hardworking. Very hardworking, and then they're, can you try this now? Think through carefully. Okay, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Think through carefully.
Mr. Aziz had some apples. He saw 1.5 of the apples on Monday. And 80 apples on Tuesday. In the end, he was left with 30% of the apples he had left. He was left with 30% of the apples he had at first, or how many apples did he have in the end? Oh, teacher can see I see like this.
Okay, anyone got answer?
No, I just finished reading.
Ah, good. Okay.
We shot 1 fish on Monday and 80 apples on Tuesday.
Someone send me a message.
So 30%.
Let us see whether you're correct. Huh? Set in a moment.
He sold 1/5 of the apples on Monday.
2% is it? Why didn't you find out what's 1/5?
1/5.
How many percent of 1/5? Is that sorry? Your answer is not correct. Is it? Try again.
1/5 of the apples.
Okay, 1/5 is something. You all learn how to change it. That's not we practice what changing it to percentage. 1/5 how to change the percentage. 1/5 change the
1/5. Oh, so if you times that by 20, times that by
20%.
20, then that, yeah, and then at the top 20. So then
done.
he sold
So
20.
% on Monday, right?
Yeah, he sold 20% on Monday.
And then he left with 30%.
Yeah.
Altogether, it's not 50%. So Tuesday he said how many percent?
He sold
Altogether-
80%.
No,
I
okay.
mean 50%.
50%. Okay, 100 minus 20, you get 80, but then you must minus
Yeah.
30. So now this 50% is 80 apples.
Mm-hmm.
You want to find how much he's left with, which is 30%. What is 30%? Is that you understand why is 50% actually? He sold 20% on Monday, now left with 80%. Then at the end, he's left with 30%. So you minus the 30%, you get 50. So he sold Tuesday was 50%. See, 100 minus 20 minus 50, get 30. You get it?
Yep.
So you sure you get it? You get it? Is that you get it? So that means 50% is 80. Find out what is 10%. Divide by
10%.
what?
Okay, wait.
Divide by 5.
So
Divide
this
by 5.
is- Okay, so if 80 divided by 5 equal 5.
At the end, you got 30%. So what is 30%? Times what?
Times 5.
Times 3. 10 times 3, 30. 7 times 3 or so. $16 times 3. You can use calculator now, son. 48. The answer is 48. Now, how to do this by, let's say that you got not enough time. So you remember what I tell you, do like that. Okay, we're going to ask Akil. What number do we write here?
1.
1. What you want to find? How many 100% you want to find? How many percent you want to find?
Yeah.
No.
You want to find 20%.
30, 30%. Because in the
No, I
end,
thought we.
he was there with 30%. How many?
Oh, in the end, yeah, 30%.
Okay.
Yeah.
So down here, you must write percent that you know the number. What percent you know the number? What percent you know number?
20.
50. 50% is 80 apples. You know this one. You see, percent. This one must always be some relationship, you know, percent to the number. So now you try to take your calculator. You try using calculator.
80 times 30. Okay.
Then divide by 50.
80 times 30 equal divide by 50. Actually, I pressed the wrong number. 30 times 50 equal divided by 50. 48.
48. So I repeat, how to do this one. You know this one always is going to be 1. You write 1 here. What you want to find, you write here. You want to find the n is 30%. If you use percent, put percent at the top, must be percent in below. So you ask yourself, what percent you know the number? You write, I know 50% is equals to 80. Like that. Okay, you'll get your answer. This is, if you can understand this method, percentage become very, very easy. Okay, but never mind. We move on. Every time we do percent, I will show you that method. Done, Okay, last question for percentage from this paper.
Aiming earn the same amount of money each month. In October, she spent 1,000.
Okay, never mind. We cancel. Come too higher. Okay, we are ready for the next one. Done now. Are you okay, Akil? Tired? Mathematics will cause you all be tired. But that's a good sign. That
Only drink 1 minute.
You want to drink, please drink.
I don't have drink.
Yeah, go and get drink.
My home. I don't have.
Oh, don't have. Okay. All right, you try this one. Question number 5, both of you. You want to find GCA. This small one here.
Che, I know this. So
Senang,
180 plus 45 plus 117 minus 360 is 15. Number 1.
Is that, you know how to do is that? How? 360 minus this, minus this, minus this. I get this one. Well done, Akil. Which one is the volume of the can of soft drink? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which is the following likely to be the volume? Number 3.
Number 3 is Akil. What? Is that? Is that just semi? Is that doesn't want to talk to me? Okay, well done. This one is very little. It's like, you know, 1 drop of a couple of drops. This one. So this is the correct one. This size. All right, well done. Can you try question 17, please? 17.
Is it 7:35?
7:30, but not yet. Later 7 o'clock. No. Hey, hello. What is? Yes, Izzat. Come on, try. Come on, Izzat, give the answer already. Akil, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. You must divide by 1,000. What's your answer?
So 7,035.
No, must divide. This is milliliter. 1 liter is 1,000. You must divide.
So 0.735.
Well done. So the unit, if it's small, when it change to big unit, you must divide. From liters to milliliters must times by 1,000. Okay, remember. Because your PSLE. Yeah, but anyway. I hope you know how to do this one. Can I just check? 21. What are all the common
Write down
factors?
all the common factors. Aduh. So 18 plus 18. 6. 36. 6. 36.
Both of you don't know, son.
36.
36, you are writing common multiples. You're finding LCM. Factors means what numbers can 12 be divided by, what numbers can 18 be divided by. So they're asking you what are the same one. So Izzat, you got 2, but there's more. Izzat, you only got
2 and
2.
6.
2 and 6. Okay, Izzat says 2 and 6 also. Some more? Another 2 more.
3.
3, yes. One more?
4.
4, 18 cannot. The smallest number?
1.
1, well done. So 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. So you must, because they say all, you see down here. So you must, don't lose marks for this one. This one should be easy. This one, can I just check? I say easy. Sekali you do not know how to do up here. Can you try? Question number.
For question A is 175.4.
Let's see whether Izzat has the same thing.
Find the total cost of 20 table. Huh? Oh, buy 20 table.
Yeah, school by 20 table.
3,025.
3,025. Okay, use calculator.
Yeah.
Some paper one cannot, but never mind lah. Izzat can do, Izzat?
I got no paper. Legit, my home got no paper.
No paper. Okay.
Very hard to find.
Are you still doing the model? Do they send you new things now? Akil, they send you new things.
What?
Do you do the video for the thing you say? The skateboard? Yeah. It's on your Instagram.
Yes.
I see. Okay, Izzat, can do Izzat? Izzat, the first one, 175.40. Yes, well done to both of you. So this one, 20 times 151.25. You are supposed to get, as Mr. Akil says, 3025. If we assume that can be done, okay, because since he also didn't use his timetable, paper and pencil, so we assume all be okay. This one should be okay, easy. Please.
What?
Question 24.
Bake 120 cookies on Monday and 150 cookies. What is the percentage increase in the number of cookies baked on the Tuesday compared to Monday? So 120. Okay, so 120 is the 100%. 100%. 100%.
You must know what is 100%.
One, two, three.
If you do not know 100%, you cannot do this.
7, 8, 9, 10. So 1.
Okay. So I'm going to teach you something. What is 100%?
5.
Down here is depends on how the question say.
Is the answer 5%?
No, no, no. Okay. You read
I
when what?
found one. I found one of the one. It's like 15. I think.
15. Okay, it's not 15. Down here is here. You compare Monday and Tuesday. And they want you to compare to Monday. Once they say, I want you to compare to Monday, Monday's cookies become 100%. So that means what? That means this 120 cookies is 100%. Why 100%? Because it's baked on Monday. And then we want to compare Tuesday. Is it more than 100%? Of course, more lah. See, 120 on Monday, Tuesday 150. How much more? 150 minus 120 get 30 cookies more. So let us see how many percent is this. You want to know the percentage increase. So you must find out what is 30%. So how to do? Well, you can do a few ways lah. You can try. Can you find what's 30%? That's your answer actually. 30% is the increase. Is it? No, 30 cookies, not percent. Sorry. Not 30%. Sorry. They want to know this 30 cookies, how many percent is it? That's what I'm saying. This 30 cookies, how many percent?
I don't.
You don't know. Okay, we do two methods. You know.
I was screaming at my mother because she's in the other room. Wait.
Okay. So you try. Izzat also try. How to find 30 cookies? How many percent is this? You can use this method if you want. You can try this method. Why don't you try this method? What do we write here? Akil, what do you write? Oh, here, you know.
Oh yeah, 1.
Okay, what we want to find on here, you write on here. What is it?
The increasing that 1%.
But what number is it?
150.
No, down here there are 30 cookies. Increase by 30 cookies. What?
Yeah,
120.
30.
So down here is cookies. Huh?
Yeah.
Can you write another cookies that you know the percent? What cookies you know the percent?
100 to 100.
120. So I put 100 because some students now get confused. Do I write the 100 below or I do write the 100 on top? So that's why I tell you down here you must know. Okay, this one is I'm teaching you like a method you can use in secondary school also. Down here you write cookies, below must be cookies. If down here you write percent, below must be percent. So down here write 30 what? 30 cookies. So below don't write percent, you must write cookies, 120. And this 120 equals to 100%. So now you can do that. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 4. Okay, so 10 times 10, 100, 100 divided by 4, 25%. Or if you don't believe, you try down here lah. 120 cookies is 100%. What is what? What is, you can divide what straight? Divide by 4. Can you see? Divide this by 4. You get 25%. Can you see? I do not know whether you can see now because you sound tired. Okay, you look tired. You look tired. I sound tired. So divide by 4. You get 25%. Okay, boys, I hope you are okay. We got 15 minutes left. Try your best, okay, to concentrate because next week onwards, you're going to have a challenge. When you come to tuitions, you'll see, we've done so many tuitions already. Because your teachers will call you back. Okay, try this one. AEB. AEB.
Find AEB.
Is that a mistake?
So it's 38, right? 38. 128 minus, no, was 152. 152.
Izzat, are you there, Izzat? I cannot see your head, Izzat. I cannot see your face. You sleeping, huh? Don't sleep, don't sleep. Wake up, wake up.
Was 114. 114. Oh, yeah. 114. That one is 114.
Actually, you should label, you know, all those sides that are equal. They tell you already.
Label on my iPad.
Okay. I label. Oh, you labeled on iPad. Well done, well done.
How?
You go, oh, okay. You label here. Why don't you label here? You label on this diagram.
No, but later, no reason can hear.
Never mind, never mind. This one, try. Okay, no reason.
Forgot what I'm calculating. Okay,
No.
never mind. I remember.
His name is Norizat lah.
6
Norizan is his mother's name.
Really?
Okay, come. Akil, you shade down here all those sides that are the same. For example, they give you here.
No, I know it. I can put my head.
Okay.
33.
Izzat,
Wait.
you can also draw on top also. No problem.
83. So that is 66. 180 minus 60. 180 minus 66 equals 114. So that's 114. Then if 114 minus 80 is 66. So 114 minus 66 equals 48. 48 plus 33. 81.
81. Izzat can do that, Izzat. Izzat nampak penat. Okay, I show you this. First of all, Akil and Izzat, I have a different answer. So let us see. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. This we label all those sides that have the same. So this equilateral triangle, right? So it must be the same length. Then they tell you AB is the same as CD. Huh? You know what type of triangle this is? Not this one. The one I'll use another color. I use another color. You know that this one now. This one. Look at this. This is what we call an isosceles triangle. You know. What does it mean? It means that these two the sides are the same. So now how do you find this side? This side we know 60, what? Equilateral triangle 60, 60, 60. This center angle must be 60 plus 38 equals to what? 98. This one must be 60, right? Because equilateral triangle, what? 60. Down here 60, down here 60. 60 plus 38, this whole thing is 98. Then you need to find, you can find the other side, what? Once you can find the angle on the other side, you can solve it. Watch, huh? So how to find this angle? This angle is the same, you know. 180 minus 98. What do you get? You get, what do you get? 82. 82 is for these two, huh? Then you divide by 2. You get that 41. So this one is 41. Hey, we're gonna solve it already. We're gonna solve it. This is 41. And this one 38. So you can find this angle. 180 minus 38 minus 41 can give you, because this triangle 180 degrees, right? Minus 38 minus 41. So 180 minus 38 minus 41. What do you get? You get 101. Am I correct? 101, you know. I'm doing all the calculation mentally, yeah? So 101. So this is 101. This also means the side down here is also 101 because it's opposite angle. Right? Now AAB, A, EB is 101.
So 101 minus 80. I mean, no, 180 minus 101. Then you can get the answer for B.
No, AEB, AEB. This
I mean,
one
no,
answer.
no. No, 10.
This is the answer already. Okay, we go step by step. We go step.
Oh, I find the
Step-
wrong one.
AEBN, they say,
find the wrong
remember
one.
always the center one,
I
center
was
one.
finding B.
B, yours ABE. ABE is different. ABE down here. ABE is
I find the wrong one.
wrong one. But you know how to do, you understand or not? Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, so do in your exam paper, please label, no, but label in pencil. In case you go and label wrongly, then you can rub it off. You go and label in pen, aduh, messy.
But we cannot use pencil.
Okay, then use your pen. You put lightly. Then you label, you can see, oh, this one isosceles. If you know this one isosceles, you can solve. You don't know it's isosceles, cannot solve. You know what's isosceles, right? Two sides the same.
Yeah.
You must be able to label those things. Okay. Just a little bit more, okay? Just 7 minutes more.
One more.
I feel very sad for you know who.
Who?
Shakila. Oh, what do you have to? He's struggling, eh? But it's okay lah. We cannot help. We can only help up to the max lah. Okay, now you try. If you want to label on here, can label on here also, no problem. Akil and Izzat, you can label on top here.
PQRS are two squares. STVR is a parallelogram. STVR is a parallelogram. So it's perfect. So
I label for you the
oh,
angle.
90. Okay, naman.
This one I must find this one, yeah.
So if that part is 90, that part is 90, that part is 90, that part is 90, 90 divided by 2 is 45. 45.
You got it.
So 45, 90.
Clue number 2.
45 plus 90 equal
135. Let us see now.
so it's
Izzat
135.
send the answer. Okay, 135. Both of you got it correct. Congratulations. Well done.
Yeah.
Okay, so now down here. So down here, so remember that this is a parallelogram. These two angles here and here will add up to 180. You know this one, 90 divided by 2 get 45. Down here is also 45. This is another square. 45 plus what? 180 minus 45, you 135. 135. Well done. Or you can say this one is equal to this one. And also, if you can find this one, it's the same thing. But well done. Still got 5 minutes left. Wow, very good. You can be able to focus like that. Very, very good. Okay, I just looked. They sell. Some few parents send me what topics are not in. Speed is not in. So I started teaching you speed. That is not coming out for your exams. Volume is also not coming out for exams.
Nasib.
Down here, hold on. What not coming out for exams? Speed, no, not coming out. Volume, not coming out. Pie charts not coming out. Solid figures not coming out. Nets not coming out. Okay. Wow. So we don't need to cover. So that means we have completed everything. Okay, can you try now? Percentage is coming out. Percentage.
Okay. What is the greatest number of the packet I brought by all money? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so Diana given $30. This packet is $1 to discount every 10. Okay. So she buy 10. So if she buy 5, she get $10 discount. No. So if she buy that one 20, okay. times equal 20. 20 times 20 divided by 500 equals 6. So $6 for. Oh, so
How come you get $6?
No. I accidentally said $6. It's the 30. The 30%
Oh, the discount
is
oh,
this.
$6. Okay,
Yeah.
correct.
Uh,
Fine, let's find. Okay, for 10 cupcakes, how much must you pay?
wait.
Okay, you try. You are getting it, Akil.
So, so this one minus 20, 14,
Izzat, you're lying down like that.
14 plus 28.
28.
Yeah.
28 cupcakes.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's see. Let us
Is it
see.
28?
Okay. So let's say if you buy $28, you say $28 lah, not 28 cupcakes. You got confused lah.
28 cupcake.
Okay, 10 cupcakes. What is the price? Let us see now. Izzat send his answer now. Let us see whether he got it or not. 30. Oh, okay, let's see lah. So one say 28, one say 30. Yeah, we try with Izzat's one. 10 cupcakes is how much? You see, must $2 is one, so $20. But they give 30% discount. So 30% discount means you only pay for 70%. At first, by right, you must pay $20. But they're going to give you 30% discount means you only pay 70%. You do this, you will get $14. When you do this, you get $14 now. Cancel one, cancel one, cancel one, cancel one. Sometimes to 14. So it's no more 20, it's $14. So now, if you want to buy 20, how? 20 you times 2, you get $28. This is what Akil found. So $20, 20 cupcakes already $28, you know. You got $2 back extra, you can buy one more. Not 28, yeah. You can buy one more. You can buy 21 cupcakes. 21 cupcakes is $30. I repeat, $10, as Akil says, $6 is a discount. So 20 minus 6 get $14. That's for 10 cupcakes. So 20 cupcakes, you times 2, like get $28. Now you got $30, you know. You can only buy one more cupcake plus $2, then become $30. So you can only buy 21 cupcakes. Because 20 cupcakes is $28. Then you got $2 extra. You pay the $2, you get $30 you use for 21 cupcakes. You don't get it. I can see you don't get it. I repeat. Now, Akil says $6 is discount for 10 cupcakes. Yes, correct. So for 10 cupcakes, you pay how many? You only pay $14. 10 cupcakes, $14. What happened to the $6? Discount. Okay. Down here now, $6 is discount. So you only pay $14. So 20 you pay 28. You times 2 lah.
Wait, so what more Zoom?
Huh?
No. My teacher will send me something for that one.
Yeah, for this. Okay. So now down here you only got $2 left. So you can plus one more. You can plus one more. I also got a message also from Sound, the same thing. I'll read out to you in a moment. So this is $30. $30 is how many cupcakes? 21 cupcakes. The greatest number she can buy.
I'm confused. Thursday and Friday got remedial or not?
Okay, let's see.
Thursday, Friday. Yeah.
Okay.
Confused.
Okay, down here. Salam all, is it? MOE has released the above information. You may cease, you may stop teaching CLT topics on conditioning. What is CLT? For those who have scheduled Zoom tuition to your class, do make time. Really, man? Okay. I think it's a different one. Okay, basic. I do not know about your remedial. You got to contact your teacher. You have a teacher's number.
Yeah.
You contact your teacher lah. So I
Okay.
will see you all on Sunday. Okay, I'll see Akil on Sunday. I will see Izzat next Tuesday. Correct, Izzat? Izzat, wake up, Izzat. Baru tidur lah, Izzat. Wake up lah. Come on, Izzat. Wake up, Izzat.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. All the best.
Waalaikumsalam.